Lease to working with you guys?
What's that?
Lease to working with you guys?
There's a random elevator I found here at the DoubleTree. It's a ThyssenKrupp Aurora. Wonder where this goes. It's a non-California complaint, but lower lobby. Closet. Oh, that button is falling out. Hello. Well, better not get out here. This button is disabled. Interesting. All right. Hey, this was a US. It was completely replaced. Look at that. It still has the original hoistway door trap and everything. Interesting. I didn't even notice that until now. All right. That makes sense though because everything else here is US. So, okay, enough blabbering. That's it.